Yo, check this out. The worst day ever in New York. With the crazy rain that's coming down right now. Yo, this water's like a river, yo. Check this out. The city will be done in a minute. It's 2012. Wow. Rain all day. Non-stop. It's crazy. Never like that ever. Yo. Watch, this car is going down in the water right now. It's a beautiful thing to be rain, but that's too much. Niggas getting wet in here, waiting for the bus. People out there trying to go home. It's Friday night. Everybody having plans going out, but I guess not. Because with this crazy rain, everybody's gonna stay home. Wow. Unbelievable. No bus, no train. People getting wet in here. She's mad. For this rain. Ooh! I love that. One more time. Check this out. Water.